In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Dodge Dart. It's going to be located on the passenger side underneath the glove box area. Let's get into it. Just grab this panel and just slide it out, just like that. We're going to take this panel off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. There's some push pins holding it on. Get under those push pins. Try to pop those out. Might need 2 trim tools. There's another one over here. Go, pop that down. There's a panel right here, a little cover. You want to take that off. There's a little tab on the bottom. Push that up. You can grab the cover, slide that back, and the cover pops right off. It's just clipped in. Just using a pick. Just gonna grab the filter and just slide it out. And it comes right out. Take the new filter. Just slide it in, same way the old one came out. And take the cover, slide the top part of the cover in first. Latch it down. Take this cover, slide it in place. Push the push pins in, there, and over here. Take the side cover, slide it in place, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.